Legacy families, welcome to our virtual classroom. This first video, I'm just going to walk you through how to tune your violin at home. It's very important that we tune our instruments before we start practicing because we want to make sure that we're all playing the same notes. We're also training our ears right now to be able to recognize what these notes sound like. And also, it can be very discouraging trying to practice while playing out of tune. So, I'm going to walk you through how to use a tuner. I have a tuner app. It also doubles as a metronome, so it's very useful. I believe the app is called Sound Corset, but there are many, and they pretty much all work the same. When you play your open strings, you want to make sure that you're landing in the sweet spot in the middle, the green spot. So I usually tune my A first. Let's see. Amazing. Now let's say it was out of tune, not in the green spot. Ooh, it's leaning over to the side. It's saying we're a little flat, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. You can even try to play at the same time and adjust watching your tuner. There we go, and it even gives you a little check mark saying you got the note. We mostly right now are just playing on our A and E strings, so if you only want to tune those before practicing, go ahead, but I would recommend giving the D and G string, the lower strings, a tune at least once a week. So I'm going to do our E string now. Looks like I'm all in tune. If you do not have access to a tuning app at home, I'm going to play our A and our E string for you right now for 15 seconds. You can also find these notes on YouTube. There are plenty of ways to find the way to match these tunes, these tones. So, starting with A string for 15 seconds. And our E string. Okay, awesome. I cannot wait to start practicing with you guys in the next few videos.